Hello Odoo users and welcome to our channel. In this video we will see how to configure Procountor instance in our Odoo database. So let's get started. So as you download this application from the Odoo App Store, we will open the application and create a new instance. So this is the demo instance that we have created and I'll show you the same. So here we will mention the instance name, whatever we want to mention it. And next is the API URL host. It will be set up automatically over here. Client ID and client secret will be provided to you by Procountor itself, so you have nothing to worry about. Next is the redirect URL. So in this redirect URL field, you will need to enter the same URL that you provided when registering your Procountor account. Next is the API key. I'll show you how to fetch the API key from the Procountor dashboard. For that, let's open the dashboard, go to the profile and go to API keys. Here we will copy this client ID. After copying the same, we will go to new API key generation and mention the client ID over here. When you click on the create, the API key will be generated. So it is as easy as that. Let's copy it. After copying, you will paste it over here. So your API key is generated successfully now. Next is the access token. So as you create on the access token, click over here. The access token will be generated over here. Next is the invoice configuration. So you will configure the invoices journal over here. For the invoices, that is bank or cash, you can select from the drop down as per the requirement. Next is the invoice payment limit. So to fetch the payments, you will have to enter the number of days based on the entered value. The system or say the cron job that we will be running will fetch the payment from the previous days up to the current day and will fetch the payment like that. You can mention any number of days as per the requirement. Next is the last sync detail. So the last sync details of your import or export that you have done will be mentioned over here. I'll show you my demo instance as well. So here is the last sync date that will be shown like this. Next is the journal that we have seen automatically will be fetched as per the days you have entered. Next is our 5 smart buttons that you can see over here. First is the cron job. So we have mentioned the cron job for fetching invoice payments and generate access token automatically over here. So it will be mentioned over here. Next is the logs. So logs for the process that has been done can be seen over here. Next is the customer data which we have fetched is seen over here, and here is the product data as well. And next is the invoice data. So here are all the 5 smart buttons which you can directly click and check out the details for, and here are all the configuration details. So feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you configure Odoo instance with Procountor. Our team will be there to help you. You can also write back to us at support@vraja technologies.com. Thank you.